Hey everybody, it's Chris Sawyer, the Chrome Consultant here at Boston Harley-Davidson. Got a beautiful 2010 Screaming Eagle CVO Street Glide going home. One of our used bikes. Just sold it. Guy's pretty tall, so we had to accessorize it a little bit more, make it fit him a little bit better. Came in pre-accessorized with the fog lights. There's the CVO, so other than that, it's all decked out. Backrest, luggage rack, Reinhardt 4-inch pipes. We put some factory 47 14-inch bars on for this gentleman. Did the chrome cables to match. We usually do these on the road glides. This is our first one on the street glide. Came out pretty good. You guys got any questions or you're interested in this? Give me a call here at 617-389-8888. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.